Jessica, first of all, a gorgeous sunset here in Wellfleet Harbor, but there's still a lot of people that don't have power on the Cape. 120,000 customers still waiting for the lights to come back on. Power crews are all over Cape Cod, working to restore power.
I think some kids are doing a lot of indoor activities, and this guy's not an indoor cat. Andrew, what do we got? Look like a magic potion?
Paige Gill is a science teacher at Cape Cod Tech. Today, she's doing a snow science experiment with her son, Andrew, and just found out her school will be closed all week.
I thought we'd be out for Monday, maybe Tuesday. When I saw the numbers last night, my parents live off Cape, and my dad sent like a chart, and it's like, I think there's 17 homes in Brewster with power.
It's 43 in the kitchen.
At the Walton home in Wellfleet, the fireplace is the main heat source. Crews have told them to expect power by the weekend, but that is still being debated.
That's what they told us to hope for, Sunday.
Oh,
Sunday.
really? I didn't...
But they said Friday to Sunday, so I'm saying Sunday, and then if it comes Friday, then it's a gift.
A lot of people still hoping for that gift, but it could be worse. Just down the street in Provincetown, 96% of customers there are still without power. In Wellfleet, I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center 5.